guys, so today we're off to the Maligne Lake boat cruise, but on the way we're going to stop by Maligne Lake and check it out. Unfortunately, our day didn't start that well because the weather isn't looking that great, but we're going to get out and enjoy as much as we can. Okay, so once we got to Maligne Lake, we just let the kids check out the cars that were passing by, and for the adult, we were literally awestruck by the 360 view around us. It's just not real looking. It's awesome, but the only thing that struck us was the damage caused to the trees from the fire in 2015, and that kind of reminds us of how powerful Mother Nature can be. But regardless, this place is just breathtaking. So we hit the road again, not before stopping by to check out these cool guys. So once you get to Maligne Lake boat cruise, you'll see ample parking space, and from there the actual place to board the boat is a few minutes walk. The weather still wasn't cooperating with us, but it still wasn't bad, or it didn't stop us from enjoying. And then once you get to the spot to board the boat, the staff were there, and they scanned our tickets and took our temperature for COVID measures, and then we got on the boat. Okay, so the boat ride to Spirit Island takes about 20 minutes, and the entire ride there and back is beautiful. Once you get there, you're given about 30 minutes to explore and take as many pictures as you'd like. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and of course, thank you for watching.
And this is our boat right there.
And that's us. Jump.